Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Vijaya Manorama tutorials. Subscribe the channel. फटाफट से अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बुला लो. Hello everyone. Start on Hey, Karthik. Hello Bhavishya. हेलो भविष्य. चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल एंड विजिबल? एक बार आंसर करो, एम आई ऑडिबल? Hello. Our aim is to get 100% if it is consistently start from today onwards. Okay. So success is a state of mind. If you want success, start thinking of yourself as a successful person. Okay. So today onwards, actually, I am going to start the chapters. It is useful for new classes and as well as for the already the current 10th class also. I want to start with the life processes. चैप्टर पूरा अच्छी तरह से फिर से समझोगे तो आपका कोई डाउट्स भी हो तो आपका क्लियर हो जाएगा इस चैप्टर में. पर कोई भी नहीं आया आज, मैं अकेला पढ़ूंगा क्या? हाँ, पढ़ो अकेले. छोटा सा सेशन होगा क्योंकि इंट्रोडक्शन बताएंगे क्या होगा इस चैप्टर में, क्या क्या होगा. उसके बाद 6 o'clock को हमारा साइंस का रिवीजन क्विज है. ओके, साइंस रिवीजन क्विज. ओके, all chapters and numericals also it is. So in the life processes we are going to learn today. What is the chapter name? First chapter हमारा life process पढ़ेंगे. What are the things included? Once I'll tell you. In this complete chapter. We are going to learn about living beings, living beings, okay, basic concepts, basic concept of nutrition, respiration, okay, transportation, transportation and excretion. Okay, these are the chapters. These all things in plants and animals both. Okay, इन डिटेल हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इन सारे सिस्टम्स के बारे में. As we all know that each and every state of matter is made up of atoms, same like that only living beings are made up of cells. Okay, so many cells together क्या होता है? So many cells together क्या होता है? नहीं अलग से वीडियो से. हेलो विजया मैम. अरे one of my assistant came. Who is this? Last time also he came and did not reveal the name. As you Shobit. Are you Shobit? He said no. Cells, so many cells together form tissues. Tissues together form organs. Organs together form organ system. So each and every organ which works together for the same purpose, those all join to form an organ system. So same organ systems like digestion, respiration, transportation, excretion, these all comes under organ system. So many organ systems. Yes. As he is my assistant, he is telling now. Obviously, he will know about my students also. है कि नहीं? इसीलिए वो आपको भी हाई बोल रहा है. So many organ systems together form an organism. Okay. So this is the order how they work. Something which is living are said to be something which is living are said to be alive, right? New children not came. नए बच्चे नहीं आए. जब मैंने पोल रखा तो बोले कि बहुत सारे बच्चे आएंगे. कोई नहीं आए. हेलो, एक बार ग्रुप में मैसेज डालो बेटा. लाइक करो सेशन को. I reveal my name. हाँ, reveal your name. Who are you? फटाफट से बताओ. When in the next class you reveal. 6 o'clock की क्लास में रिवील करना. Okay? Ma'am's channel. Alive means what? Which are having life. Which have life. Okay. Which can breathe. Which can eat. Okay. जो जिंदा हो, जो जीवित हो, उनको बोलते हैं लिविंग थिंग्स. ओके. वन के सब्सक्राइबर के बाद. ओके. वेरी गुड. तब तो आप जुलाई में रिवील कर दोगे. जुलाई में आप रिवील कर दोगे, राइट? क्योंकि जुलाई तक हो जाएगा 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स. मैम, I 100% sure he or she is one of them, Shobit or Vedanta Gunda. Class is going to find out who are you only. Okay, जो जीवित हो, जिनका जो जिंदा हो, they are called as living beings, right? Suspense will rise. Yes, yes. So all the plants and animals are alive. So they all comes under living beings. Okay. So the most important criteria to decide whether something is alive or not, only with the help of movement. Only with the help of movement. If anything is moving, then only we call it as they are alive. Okay. All the living things move by themselves without any external help. All the living beings, they move. How they move? How do you move? How do human move? They move by walk. Okay. So like that only, each and every animal, they move in different manner, right? So the movements in most of the animals are fast, which can be observed. Whereas in the plants, if you see, it is very slow. Is he or she is movable? Yes. Based on that only we decide whether anything is alive or not. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, I'll with legs, with legs. Hello, Abhinav. So if you see the plants are fixed. Plants are fixed. How do they show their movement? कोई बताएगा? How do they show their movement? Human can jump, human can move, everything human can do. But plants cannot jump, they can't move they don't have hands or legs like us, but still they show the movement. How do they show the movement? Even though they are fixed. How it is possible? By growing, perfect. So by growing, the plants can only move their parts of their body. How they move? They move only their leaves. Plants. Plants, how do they move? Plants show the movement only their leaves. Okay. Plants show their movement only by the leaves, by the flowers, by the shoot, by the root. Okay. By the root. What they do with the roots? क्या होता है? Leaves. How do they show the movement in the leaves? How do? Oh, sorry. Plant Plants they show the movements with the help of leaves, with the help of flowers, with the help of shoot, with the help of root. Okay, so how do they show the movements with the help of these? Please tell me in the chat box. Ma'am, today my math pre-board exam. I am so very good. Transport of water and minerals from roots. If it is a very big tree, are you watering every day? English ma'am teach science, not maths. Whatever he is sharing his feelings, that's it. It doesn't mean that if he write his science exam well, then only he can share, right? Avishya, he can share, you can share. Very good. Very good English. All the best. You'll get very good marks. Okay. So roots, with the help of roots, with the help of leaves means roots. If a very big tree is there, the tree doesn't have, uh, we don't water that plant every day. Okay, but still it is growing, still it is getting all the water and minerals from the earth only. How do? The roots. If it is the root part, okay, if it is the root part, if you take, if the tree is growing very big, what it will do? It just stretch roots, they spread all over in search of water and minerals, and they have root hair like structures. No, they just grow continuously, and it absorbs and passes the water and minerals to all the parts. Okay, do leaves tell me? How do leaves tell me? Leaves का क्या? Leaves कैसे? Ma'am, this assistant is waste. Okay, let it be. No, you just answer in the chat. छोड़ो ना, वो सब तो बड़ी बात है ना. Bhavishya is very busy in finding who is he. So leaves क्या करता है बताओ? If you see the touch me not plant, if you touch me not, what is the scientific name of this? What is the scientific name of this? Scientific name बताओ. Mimosa. If you touch it, it will show the movement, right? Next, flowers, sunflowers. If you see sunflower plant, it will move towards the sun, towards. And next, the shoot and root goes very big, and it will go all the fruits and flowers to everywhere, right? So plants also show the movement by growing their shoot and roots. Not only this leaves, not only this flowers. Okay, these all parts also they show the movement. So what are the parts which show the movements? Roots, shoot, fruits. Sorry, fruits are the parts which they show the movement of the plant and tells that plant is a living thing. Plant is a living thing. Right? So now, tiny living units. What are they? What is the structural unit of any body? Can anyone tell what is the structural unit of any body? It is physical unit is ma'am, some disturbance. Structural unit is cell. Not disturbance. It is looking different about. My voice is heard as different voice. Yes. This cell, very small scale are invisible to the naked eye. It is not visible. Viruses, they don't show any movement, any molecular movement in them. Okay, until they infect some cell. Viruses, they won't show any movement until they infect. Okay, until they infect the cell, they won't show any movement. And this created a controversy about the ruling. Okay. Now, they won't show anything until they. Okay. Okay. Voice is little disturbing. It is coming, right? नेट का इश्यू तो नहीं है. It's okay. So viruses still get infected the cell in show infection to the cell that isn't clear. Apart from these all, living beings show the characteristics. So those characteristics are very important. First, no characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things. What is the first one? Living. Air and water. Right? Third point is living things can grow. Okay. Next one is living things can respond. Respond to stimuli. Right? Respond to changes as my video is long. Okay, living things can respond to stimuli. Next one is living thing can respire. Today is the basic thing which we are learning, so that tomorrow onwards we can start the energy is needed for the life processes. What are the energies? First one is digestion. In the digestion part, how it takes place in the plants, how it takes place in the human beings, that we are going to discuss. So living things can respire. Living things can excrete. Living things can reproduce. For the living processes, what are the energies? First one is digestion. finding it clear only? So living things can reproduce. We can give birth to young. Okay. In this 10th class, okay. In the 10th class, we learn about all process in a clear cut. What are life processes? So living things, what they can do? Living things can move. They can respire. They need food, eat, everything. They grow, they respire, they excrete, they reproduce, they give birth to the young ones, everything. So now these all comes under life processes. So what are life processes? Can anyone tell in the chat box? What are they? Life processes. What life processes are? The basic function definitions should not change. The basic functions performed by living organisms okay, to maintain their life on earth. To maintain their life on the earth are called life processes. The basic functions which are performed by the living organisms to maintain their life, to maintain their life on the earth are called as life processes. Okay. So the basic life processes which are common in the living organisms are these all processes which we learn. Okay. Tomorrow onwards I will start. Their life on the earth are called life processes. So the basic life processes which take place are nutrition, respiration, respiration. Wait, it's not clear. I am getting clearly. One state from end. Nutrition, respiration, role and foundation. That is settled. Also so controlling coordination in that only responses to everything we learn along with the growth, movement and reproduction. So these are the concepts of life processes which we are going to learn from tomorrow onwards. Okay. So this is what we learn. The process of nutrition which involves taking the food inside the body and converting that into very smaller molecules. Right? So that is what is nutrition. The oxidation of food. Okay, the oxidation of food and utilization of the oxygen to each and every okay. So the oxidation of the for the utilization of the for the oxygen is called as respiration. This oxygen when it is carrying by blood. Okay, it is carrying to each and every part of the body. Is transportation and after the transportation means after the digestion and the transportation, whatever the waste product is left. Okay, whatever the waste product is left in the form of carbon dioxide, while breathing only it comes out, and in the form of solid waste, liquid waste and gaseous waste, the waste will be excreted out. That is about the excretion. Okay, control and coordination, how the reflex action, how our brain works, these are things we are going to learn in the control and coordination. Okay, control and coordination. Okay, system and learn how the to the next generation. So these are things we are going to learn. Okay, so nutrition, the intake of the food, the respiration of the food, transportation carrying the oxygen to each cell, excretion giving of the waste products, control and coordination, how the brain controls all the body parts, everything, and reproduction, how it gives birth to the next generation of the same species, and sexual, everything we are going to learn in this. Okay, so these are the basic concepts of life process. Okay, the So tomorrow we are going to discuss energy is needed for the life processes, nutrition. How do we get the energy? Those all things. So the energy required by any organism comes from the food that the organism eats. Whatever you eat, okay, whatever you eat, that in the form of energy it will come to everyone, right? So producing food is which type of substance? It is actually an organic substance. Hello, good evening. So food is a kind of fuel which provides energy to all the living organism. Whatever the food we take, that is a type of fuel which passes the energy to all the organisms. Okay, which passes the energy to all the living organisms. So they use that chemical energy for carrying the various life processes. Whatever the chemical, the food material whichever we eat, that in the form of chemical energy is utilized by the body. So all the organisms they get the chemical energy from the food by the chemical reactions which takes place. So living organisms they continuously face life processes. How this energy will get? How they get the energy? So in the nutrition part, we have the nutrition particular. Absorption, digestion, and digestion. Okay. So the 5 steps which we. But from my mind properly. Look there. Okay. Digestion, absorption. Okay. Next is assimilation. And eat. So tomorrow we will learn about this. हाँ छोटा बदलाव परिणामी का हिस्सा होता है. Okay, onwards actually I started class 10. Hope it's going to be very much beneficial for you all. Thank you and all. चलो 6 o'clock के क्विज में मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट. ओके.